Hello students, let us study about indirect transmission second type through contaminated food and water. Uh, with the help of contaminated food and water, cholera, hepatitis B, diarrhea, ascariasis, etc. are some infectious gut diseases which are transmitted through contaminated water. Okay, and object used by patient: door handles. If the patient is suffering from any uh, disease, if he touch to the door handle, taps, garments, and currency utensil, toys are the source of infection to the healthy people. It will comes to the healthy people. These are the diseases is indirect transmission occur with the objects occur with the contaminated food and water. Okay. Airborne diseases, that is tuberculosis. Infection against can be transmitted through the airborne disease. Uh, it can be transmitted from the infected person to the healthy person through the droplets emitted by sneezing, coughing, or splitting. If you sneeze, nearby healthy person is standing, means he is also infected to that one. And coughing, if you cough, nearby healthy person is standing, he'll also get infected with the spitting. And the spitting, if you keep the hand anything, that infection is occurred to the healthy person. Anybody sitting or standing close to the patient, anybody sitting or standing close to the patient, that infected person, then the infection is occur. Okay. It might directly inhale these droplets. Anybody sitting or standing close to the patient might directly inhale these droplets, carrying the infection against. For example, common cold is there, pneumonia is there, tuberculosis is there, and coronavirus. Now, recently, we are suffering for that. Okay, these are the diseases transmitted by person to person, infected person to healthy person, through the droplet emitted on sneezing or coughing or spitting. And one more is the droplets, anybody is sitting near you, the droplet carrying infected person to the healthy person. Important note: airborne diseases. Airborne diseases means these are the easier to catch when we are close to the infected person. Means of spread. Okay, many microbial agent can commonly move from an infected person to a healthy person. That is communicated diseases. Okay, thus disease causing. Airborne diseases are easier to catch when we are close to the infected person in a closed area. The droplets, are recirculate and pose a higher risk to everybody. Overcrowded and poorly ventilated housing is therefore major factor in the spread of airborne disease. Such disease causing microbes can spread through the air. This occurs through the little droplets thrown out by an infected person who sneezes or coughs. Someone standing close by can breathe in these droplets, and the microbes get chance of start to new infection. Example: such diseases spread through the air are common cold, pneumonia, tuberculosis.